My name is Hubert Devnish. I'm a linguist. I'm interested in Caribbean Creole languages, and the case of Trinidadian French lexicon Creole is very special. In most situations, one has to travel high into the mountains or deep into forests to find the last speakers of a dying language. Not so in the case of Trinidadian French Creole. Just outside Port-of-Spain, the capital, and off a side road leading out of the now suburban area of Maraval, is a steep road leading into and up into Paramin. The jeep-like vehicles serving as taxis up the steep road tell us that right here on the doorstep of the capital is another world. A world of small hillside cultivation of seasoning, and of transporting the seasoning to the city to be sold and returning to the cocoon that is Paramin, the community of French Creole speakers, their lifestyles and their cooking. And the world of Mrs. Constantine, who seems to have inherited in her genes the language and the culture.
Qui non?
Marie.
Marie? C'est Tite? C'est Titou? C'est Titou?
Titou. Constantine.
Constantine.
What I carry an Alexandrian Constantine.
Oh.
That is the name I born with.
Qui la joue? Qui
Qui
la joue?
Moi.
Ouais.
Et 85.
Tu parles anglais?
Non, papa moi était capable anglais.
Ouais.
Mais maman moi était capable patois.
Ouais.
Mais maman moi était connaît tout le bagage en anglais aussi. Mais était capable patois.
Ouais.
C'était un Caraïbe.
Ou paye 36 capable pour moi. Moi vaut plus passer ou plus moi trouver pour rien.
You know what I mean?
Tell me.
Tell me. You say, he telling me, my husband telling me, he pay 6 cents for me, so he buy me. I say, well, I want more than you because you pay for me and I get you free.
Choix forme l'oignon.
Choix forme du cabbage. Cucumber. Couscous.
Yeah, happy. I know happy. Ça c'est un gros loyon.
Dis-moi
Onion. Gros loyon.
Gros.
Gros loyon.
Gros.
Loyon.
Loyon.
Ouais. Assou, quoi ici?
How do you make that? Just Jean café.
Ça. Hein? Un bois. En bas, un bois.
Ouais.
Si il a sorti bien petit. Honnête?
Dis-moi. Hungry.
The reason why let's put this is to prevent the steam from coming out. So you're going to find it steaming inside, right? And when it's steaming inside, very little does get away, escape from on the edges. So you'll find that now, that right up until it touched the leaves.
Right.
So it covered the breadfruit and everything, and the fish, so all the ingredients of the fish going into the breadfruit, and the taste of it. So when you taste,
Right.